Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the 5 free website for learning the blockchain technology. You know, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology in which transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature which is called hash. Okay, let's start. First website name is Coursera. So let's go to the website of Coursera. So this is the website of Coursera. So if you want to learn blockchain related technology, just write blockchain in the what do you want to learn section. Just click search icon. You see lots of blockchain related training are available here. Here 219 results are found. So click blockchain. So you see this blockchain related training is totally free, which is started from May 18. So you can take any blockchain related training from here. The second website name is EDX. Let's go to the website of EDX. This is the website of EDX. If you want to learn blockchain related technology, just write blockchain in search section. Click on search. You see lots of blockchain related trainings are available here. Just I click introduction to blockchain related training. You see introduction to blockchain related training, which is 3 weeks long training. It is self-paced training. So this training is started from May 18. So this training is totally free. Just clicking enroll, you can start your training. The third website name is MIT OCW website. Now let's go to the website of MIT OCW. So this is the website of MIT Open Courseware Massachusetts Institute of Technology website. If you want to learn blockchain technology, just write blockchain in the search section. Click on search. You see lots of blockchain related training are available here. For example, I click blockchain and money training. You see the course are available here. So here lots of blockchain related video are available here. If you click lecture slides, lots of lecture slide available here. If you click reading section, you see lots of reading materials are available here. If you click study questions, you see lots of blockchain related study questions are available here. So if you click assignment section, here you see assignment related write-ups are available here. So from here you can learn more about the blockchain technology. The fourth website name is Great Learning. Let's go to the website of Great Learning. So this is the website of Great Learning site. So just click more. Just click on more and click free online course. If you want to learn blockchain related technology, in search section write blockchain. When you write blockchain, you see in the menu, in the drop down menu, lots of blockchain related training are available here. Just click blockchain basics. You see blockchain basics course here. The fifth website name is Codis Alert. Let's go to the website of Codis Alert. So this is the website of Codis Alert. Scroll your mouse down. You see getting started with blockchain for beginners training. Click start course. So when you enroll this course, you can start this training from here. If this video is helpful for you, please let me know in comment section which types of video contents you want to see in future. You can subscribe this channel for getting the similar videos in future. Thank you.